In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize Google Meet captions so they're easier to read and better suited to your needs during a meeting. We'll go step by step right inside an active Google Meet, and I'll explain what each option does so you know exactly what you're changing and why. First, make sure you're already in a Google Meet. You can't adjust these caption settings from the homepage or before you join. You need to actually be inside the meeting. Once you're in, move your mouse so the meeting controls appear along the bottom of the screen. If you're on a mobile device, tap the screen so the controls become visible. Now look for the More Options button. This is represented by three vertical dots, often called the More or Overflow menu. It's usually located near the bottom right corner of the meeting window, close to options like turning on captions, changing the layout, or opening settings. Go ahead and click or tap those three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, you'll see a list of different options related to your meeting. From here, you want to find and select Caption Settings. The wording might be slightly different depending on your device or version, but it will clearly reference captions. Click or tap Caption Settings to open the customization panel. This panel is where you can adjust how your captions behave and how they look on your screen. One of the most important adjustments is the caption language. This tells Google Meet what language the speaker is using so it can generate the most accurate captions possible. Look for the language setting, then open the drop-down menu and choose the language that matches the primary language spoken in your meeting. If your meeting is multilingual, pick the language used most often, since captions will work best when they can focus on a single language at a time. Next, take a moment to adjust the style of your captions. Depending on your version of Google Meet, you may see options for things like text size, caption position, or overall style. Increasing the text size can be helpful if you're on a smaller screen or if you find the default captions hard to read. If captions are covering important parts of the presentation, try changing the position so they appear in a less distracting area of the screen. As you adjust these settings, keep the meeting visible behind the settings panel so you can see how each change affects the captions in real time. This makes it easier to find a combination that feels comfortable for your eyes and doesn't interfere with what's being shared. Once you're happy with the language and style, simply close the caption settings panel. Your changes will apply immediately and you can continue with your meeting as normal. If at any point you want to tweak something, just open the More Options menu again, go back into caption settings and make further adjustments. That's all you need to do to customize Google Meet captions during a meeting. By taking a moment to set the right language and style, you make the conversation more accessible, easier to follow, and more comfortable for everyone relying on captions.